What's up, ladies and gentlemen?
What we've got here is the Osmo Pocket expansion kit. What's in there is the controller wheel, wireless module, and no idea what this is. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So this would be an unboxing video. So please subscribe if you want to check out some of the review for the controller wheel as well as the wireless module at a later date. But this time round, this video specifically would just be the unboxing video of the Osmo Pocket expansion kit. When I first received this, I just felt so lightweight, and to a certain extent, I'm kind of worried. Am I being sent the wrong stuff, right? Because it's so lightweight with all three items inside the box. So let's check this out. So what we have here, that's the controller wheel, all right? It goes with Osmo Pocket. And the wireless module, here we are. Again, very small, very lightweight. We can easily slot this in like that. I guess with the wireless module now, pretty much can make this redundant, well, because it is a much stable base, so it doesn't wobble too much. At the same time, I think, something like this still comes in quite handy if you want to give your Osmo Mobile that extra stability. Okay, and last but not least would be this. So this is something to hinge your Osmo Pocket. No idea how it works. All right. So maybe this is the correct way of operating. You tighten this like that. You can see, so this would probably go somewhere to hold up your Osmo Pocket. So I guess with this, it's also quite convenient because your wireless module can still be connected. There we go. Oh, of course, I think they must have some instructional manual. There we are, plenty of instruction manuals. Oh yes, it does come with a microSD card. Perfect. And at the same time, some instructional menus for the controller wheel, accessory mount, as well as the wireless module. So this thing, it's the accessory mount. Okay, great. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe because I'll obviously be making other videos when I'm actually operating on these three items, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.